Hi there, and welcome back to another episode of JustFrugalMe.com. Are you in need or you want a few extra dollars? Maybe you're saving it up for a vacation, a home project, paying off debt, or just trying to have it around as a petty account or a rainy day fund. Today, I am going to highlight 5 different ways that you can make money on your home. You can pick up $100 or more without leaving your house. But before we get started, I am going to ask for you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video with those who you believe that would benefit from this content. Why don't you consider using your home as a financial asset? I know what you're thinking. Yeah, our home is a financial asset, but why not take advantage of that financial asset other than just claiming the appreciated value? Most people do not take advantage. Your home and your yard is your largest financial asset. It would be great for you to be able to capitalize and make money off of your home as a passive income strategy. Passive income meaning you are not really trading time for money. You will be able to make money off of your home and not trade that time for money. Do you have an extra bedroom in your home? Many travelers today, they're looking for a different type of experience and accommodation from your traditional hotels. Airbnb is an online community marketplace that's looking to connect those who are seeking to rent out their place and those that are seeking accommodations. Airbnb hosts can make up to $1,354 every single month by renting out their spots, but that's according to their website. Getting started with Airbnb is quick and easy. You can list your home or your room and start accepting reservations like in minutes. I mean, it's really that easy. Why not turn that extra bedroom or that spare bedroom into cash? Let's talk about how Airbnb works. You list your property, you select the available dates, you post those dates. The customer will click on the dates that they would like to stay, and you can approve or deny their stay. Airbnb covers every booking up to $1 million in property damage and another $1 million in insurance. Did you know that people will pay for convenience? If you have an empty garage or a basement, why not rent out that space to make extra money? You may have someone who's trying to shelter their car. Hopefully it's not from the repo guy. Or have boxes in transition and transient moving from one place to the next. And they might have a week where they need to store their stuff. If you have the space, why not use that extra space to make some cash? People will pay for that convenience. So we know that people will pay in order to rent out your home, but have you ever considered renting out your driveway? Why not? If you live in an area where there's a lot of events going on, close to a ball field or a stadium or close to a downtown area or even a park, why not rent out your driveway? That is a quick and easy way in turning your driveway into some money. Having a pool is considered a luxury. There are a lot of people out there who would be willing to rent out your pool by the hour. Normally, when we think about having a pool, we think about all of the expenses and the money lost and the filters and the water and all of the upkeep of the pool. But why not turn your pool into a financial asset? There's a company out there called Swimly, and I'm going to leave the link for that. It's no affiliates here, but just want to share that with you. Swimly connects the owner of private pools with those who are looking to rent a pool. Why not make money and join the thousands of people on Swimly who have converted their money-sucking pools into money-making pools? What if I said that you can make extra money too on your backyard? No need for letting people come into your house, but there are people who drive around and they like to go camping. Why not let someone pitch a tent in your backyard or park their camper if you have enough of space in your yard? Also, if you have a beautiful formal garden, that is great for photography. So photographers may want to come and rent out your space to take pictures, and also for wedding ceremonies and barbecue. Renting out your backyard and your yard will be a great way to make extra income. Well, that's my short list here today. I know there is so much more that people do in order to make money on their home and their land. I would love to hear what you do in the comment section below. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also, most importantly, share this video, please, with those who you believe that will benefit from this content. And like always, remember that being frugal is not about being cheap, it's about being resourceful. Have a great day. Bye-bye.